Hello everyone, welcome to Edupsis. I am Supratim Nath. Today we are going to learn mathematics. From there we will study matrix. That's a great topic. We need to understand each and every term very carefully. So listen very carefully. Thank you. Let's get started. Matrix. What we are going to learn? Matrix. First we need to understand the definition. Definition. First, we need to understand the definition of the matrix. Here we will first assume some variables and we will put values into those variables. Let's see. Let A has 2 pens, 3 pencils, and 4 boxes. Okay, the variable here is A. Let B has 5 pens, 6 pencils, 6 pencils, and 9 boxes. Finally, we will declare another variable, that is C, capital C. Let C has, let us assume 2 pens, 3 pencils, 3 pencils, and 11 boxes. Great. Very interesting, right? So observe carefully. Here we declare 3 variables. What are those variables? A, B, and C. There are 3 variables, A, B, and C. In those variables, we have declared the values of pens, pencils, and boxes. How much pens, how much pencils, and how much boxes are present in those variables. So in case of A has 2 pens, 3 pencils, and 4 boxes. Then B has 5 pens, 6 pencils, and 9 boxes. C has 2 pens, 3 pencils, and 11 boxes. Okay. So the definition, the assumption part is complete. Now we need to understand the definition of matrix from there. Let the data given be in the tabular form. In the tabular form, okay. Let the data given be in the tabular form. Let us arrange A, B, C. 3 variables given, A, B, C. Now we have pens, pencils, and boxes. 3 constants given. Constants: pens, pencils, and boxes. Okay, pens, pencils and boxes. Now we need to put the values. In case of A, under pen, what value is given? 2. So we need to write here 2. Then in case of A, under pencils, see here carefully, given 3 pencils, right? So we need to write over here 3 pencils. Then boxes, 4 boxes given. So we need to write 4 under boxes in case of A. For B, there are 5 pens, 6 pencils and 9 boxes. See carefully. 5 pens, 6 pencils and 9 boxes. So what should we write? Here 5 pens, 6 pencils and 9 boxes. Okay. Now in case of C, C has 2 pens, 3 pencils and 11 boxes. So let's write it over here. 2 pens, 3 pencils and 11 boxes. So see, the table is now completed. This is a table. Which should be enclosed in the third bracket. This tabular arrangement is known as matrix. It's great, right? What is this? This tabular arrangement is known as matrix. This tabular arrangement is what? Matrix. So what is the given matrix over here? Let's write it down. The matrix should be represented as this one is the table. Now we need to put the values carefully. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 2, 3, 11. Okay. Now we need to understand what are the elements of the matrix or the cell of the matrix. That's very important. What is cell of the matrix? So these 2 given over here is a cell of the matrix. Then 3 is a cell of the matrix. 4, 5, 6, 9, 2, 3, 11. All the elements given in the matrix here are, we can represent them as the cell of the matrix. Okay. Now we will see how the elements should be represented. So the elements are represented as Aij, and the matrix is represented as, generally we name the matrix as A equals like this. Generally we name the matrix as A. Now each and every element of the matrix is represented as Aij, like this, written over here, Aij. Now where where I is the number of row, J is the number of column, where I is the number of row and J is the number of column. Okay, so let us find the elements of the matrix. Elements of the matrix. So in case of elements of the matrix, tell me carefully from here, what is the element A11? It's very easy to represent A11. So 1 is the number of row and 1 again is the number of column, because both are 1 1 1. So from here let us write the rows and columns carefully. Observe it. First row, second row, third row. Okay, first column, second column, third column. See carefully, we have represented it. First row means the horizontal, column means the vertical. Okay, again I am repeating, rows means the horizontal part and columns means the vertical. So here A11 is C, first row means this one, first row. First column means this one. So ultimately first row, first column intersects in this part. Where? In this part. Observe carefully. I am darkening it. Means it gets intersect at 2. Yes, you are right. 2. So A11 is 2. Okay. In this way we need to find out the elements of the matrix. Okay. In this way we need to find out the elements of the matrix. Now tell me what is A23? Try to find it out by your own and write it in the comment box below. Okay, try to find it out by your own, and please don't forget to write down it in the comment. Now I am giving you more examples. Let's write down the matrix again. Let's jot down it. 2 3 4 5 6 9. 2 3 4 5 6 9. 2 3 11. 2 3 11. Okay, this is the matrix. Now the final question I will ask, try to find out A33. A33. So A33 is over here. 3 means third row. Then the next 3 means third column. Then this one is the third row. This one is the third column. Where it intersects? Over here. Here it goes, intersects. Now observe it carefully and write down the answer. It should be what? 11. It should be what? 11. Okay. So A33 is 11. That's the process to find out the elements of the matrix. Okay. So that's all for today. Let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and write down your doubts in the comments below. Thank you very much.